Hi from eTherapy, the Teletherapy Experts, and welcome to a quick tutorial for how to use Scratch Art Jamboards for teletherapy and distance learning. Remember using black scratch art paper to make colorful pictures? Now you can create scratch art virtually with our eTherapy Scratch Art Jamboards. First, make a copy of the board. Then open the board on your computer or an iPad. The Jamboard iPad app is available for free on the App Store if you are using an iPad. When opening the Jamboard on your computer, both mouse and touchscreen controls can be used to draw. Once the board is open, navigate to a solid black slide, then click on the eraser tool on the left. For iPads, you need to click on the pencil in the right-hand corner to bring up the toolbar. Now, using your mouse or touchscreen, write or draw using the eraser tool. And note here that the curved arrow back button can be used to undo up to about 3 or 4 eraser strokes. However, if you keep clicking the back or undo button, the Jamboard can stall and an error message may occur. It may take a few moments for the eraser stroke to be reversed. Once you move forward to a new slide, eraser strokes on previous slides cannot be reversed. If you plan on using the Jamboard with several students, make extra unused copies and save them in your drive. Individual slides can also be saved as image files and uploaded to your drive, iPad, or computer. We hope that you have fun using our virtual scratch art for a wide range of students and goals. Get your own copy and more activity freebies at our eTherapy website. And thanks again from eTherapy, the Teletherapy Experts.